Hi everyone, Vince here. Today I'm going to show you some game apps that will pay you real money. Let's kick this off. First up, we have Scratch Magic. So this is what Scratch Magic looks like when you launch it up. Top of the screen, you have your real PayPal balance. To the right of that, you have your in-game coins. Right now, there's a tournament happening where you can win up to $50 every single day. And as you can see, there are various categories that we can choose from here, all with different amounts of coins that we can actually win. Though keep in mind, the more coins that you can win, the more entry price there is for each of the different areas here. Tapping on the trophy on the bottom right corner of the screen allows you to see the active tournament which is happening for the day. People are actually winning serious money when it comes down to gaming applications. Usually you only earn like $1 or so per day maximum on these type of apps. But you'll see that Scratch Magic is actually giving away quite a bit of cash here, everyone, depending on what position you are on the leaderboard. It seems this person has 35 million coins almost to win $50 for the day. As I only have 20,000 of the coins, I'm going to enter in to this first bracket. Alright, so now it's loaded up the cards that I can actually scratch. Let's see what happens. Remember, each of these cards is going to cost me 250 coins. Alright, so my winning numbers are 29 and 23. Let's continue to scratch here. Let's see what we get. Nothing. Bad luck straight away. Let's keep going here. 20 and 33. I've got 20, so I've just won 2,000 of the coins. I can now double those coins if I watch an advertisement. But now, that's entered me into the tournament officially, as I have 2,000 coins won today. I'm in position 51, where if I keep on earning for today, I'll get $1 worth of PayPal cash. I'm going to keep scratching for about 5 to 10 minutes, everyone. I'll be back soon with the results. It's just asked me, do I want to get a 10% coin bonus for the rest of the tournament? Of course, you have to watch an advertisement to get that 10% bonus, but we'll do that for today. At the bottom of the screen, it seems the more cards I scratch, the more that bonus actually generates. Something I've noticed is that even if you don't choose to watch the ad to double the reward, it sometimes plays an ad anyway. Now that I have 25,000 of the coins, and I'm ranked 41, let's try and win up to 20,000 coins. Each of these cards is going to cost me 2,500 coins now, everyone. You can actually cash out up to $500 USD on Scratch Magic, with the minimum cash out being $1 single dollar USD currency. There's also a prize wheel and slot machine area. This is pretty much a watch an advertisement and spin the wheel type of deal. You're gonna find that Scratch Magic is very ad heavy. Just spun the wheel now, everyone. What are we gonna land on? Let's see. Ooh, 10,000 coins. All right, we'll take that. Watching that ad has allowed me to spin the wheel more times as well. Let's see what we can get this time. Here we go. 17.5 thousand. Nice. One last spin here. Can we get anything major? Let's find out. And no, 4,000 coins. Alrighty. With the slot machine element, exact same situation. Watch an ad, spin the slot machine. Slot machine spinning, everyone. What are we going to land on here? Looks like we won 35,000 coins. Thank you very much. I can spin it 5 different times as well here from watching one ad. That's pretty good. Another 25,000 coins. Nothing that time. Let's see what we can get this time, everyone. Here we go. And another 35,000 coins, it looks like. Yes. Last but not least, should be something good, hopefully on the last spin. Let's see. Fingers crossed. 75,000 coins. I'll take that. Alrighty, we are now on 226,000 of the coins. Funny enough though, my position actually has gone down a bit because I didn't scratch the cards to earn those coins. A new coin bonus is available as well for watch another ad. I'm now on a 15% coin bonus. I've just purchased one of these cards for 2,500. Let's see if we can win anything. Yes, just won 5,700. Nice. So I'm going to keep on scratching this here, everyone, and see what I can get away with. 23,000 coins there. 11,000 coins. 23,000 coins. As you can see, it's pretty straightforward. Alright, so now my position is 25th today with 127k coins earned. So pretty much to break it down, Scratch Magic works in a tournament-based system. You essentially have to scratch as many cards as possible within one single day to reach as high as you can on the leaderboard. Like for today's tournament, they're giving away $50. From what I can tell, you can no longer win PayPal currency directly, but what you can do is actually just win straight up USD cash every single day, depending on your rank, okay? So the more you play, the more cash you can earn. When I last cashed out on Scratch Magic, I was paid out within 2 days, but that was before the big tournament update, okay? Now it seems that there's no other way to earn other than the tournament system. So if you're happy with that, going up against other players, Scratch Magic could be a good option for you. Next, we have Bitcoin Hit. Don't let the name fool you. You can earn PayPal currency as well as Bitcoin by playing Bitcoin Hit. This is what it looks like, everyone, when you actually start playing it. The whole goal is to get your sword into the log without hitting the sword again. So as you can see, very straightforward app. And the more you play it, the more difficult it obviously gets. Now you're probably wondering, okay, how much can you actually earn with it? Well, what I need to do is try and get to stage 4 here and complete it, okay? So I'm on that stage now. I'm just trying not to hit the swords that are in the log already, because then I'll fail the mission, of course. And yes, I got it. Nice. So now here's the boss fight. And thankfully, the boss fight is a very easy one. So now I can at least show you how you can earn real money with this app. Let me just simply destroy the orange here. Done. Now it states boss defeated, and you'll notice the little advertisement button at the bottom there. This will play an advertisement, of course, but in return will now generate real PayPal currency, or cryptocurrency, depending on what you want. Alright, I just generated 5,709 of the coin-based currency. This is what it looks like when you fail one of the stages as well. So, you'll notice at the top of the screen of the menu, you have an energy-based system. This allows you to play Bitcoin Hit 20 times per day. I guess this is to try and limit the earnings of people so they're not playing it unlimitedly. Let me show you the cash out options. As you can see, I have 103,000 coins, and here you can see the actual cash out area for Bitcoin Hit. Top of the screen, you have your balance, and then underneath that, you have the conversion rate for your balance. And you can see here, I have 9 cents worth of USD currency currently in my bank. I've now just activated that cash out for 100,000 of the coins worth for about 10 cents USD. And here you can see, obviously, the other cash outs I did have been 100% successful. Bitcoin Hit pays within 24 hours, at least in my own experience here in Australia, and I've had no problems with the application at all. Although you're not going to become rich, if you like those type of casual games, you would have a fun time with it. Next, we have Reward Hero Play to Earn, and they've had a huge update, everyone. They now feature a Playtime Rewards section. At the moment, I can install Coin Master and earn 71 coins per minute, up to a total of 4,511 coins. Now you might be thinking, okay, how much does that break down to? Tapping on the rewards tab at the bottom of the screen allows you to see all the various gift cards I can cash out to here in Australia. You'll notice the minimum for these gift cards are actually pretty low, everyone, around the 4,400 mark. But let's just say I wanted to cash out $5 worth of cash. Well, all I need is 4,400 coins. So I could literally play Coin Master and then cash out $5 worth of cash from that app alone. And obviously this goes down further and further, all the way to $100 worth of cash for 64,000 coins. So the way that I'll break it down, around 700-ish coins equals $1. And even if you don't have the Playtime Rewards option available in your own country on Reward Hero, look at all the available offers you have. We literally have Mafia City offer here for 71,000 coins, which is over $100. And scrolling down further, we have multiple high-paying offers available right at the top. This is such an awesome little application. Definitely try Reward Hero out, especially if you like playing games from your mobile phone, because if you're going to install these apps anyway, you might as well make some money out of them. Keep in mind, there are so many different offer wall providers that you can go through, man. It's actually quite intense. You can even complete surveys if you really wanted to. The average survey price on Reward Hero is roughly 50 cents to $1, by the way. If you guys want to start off with 50 coin bonus, just join using my referral code. Link will be in the description below, alright? There is a huge amount of countries supported on Reward Hero as well, all with their own various cash out options. Reward Hero will generally pay you out between 2 and 3 days though, everyone, so keep that in mind. Next, we have a Happy Turtle. Now, before you start laughing about the name of the application, let me just show you how it works first. At the top of the screen, you have your in-game currency of coins. When you join a Happy Turtle, they give you 4,499 coins if you've never joined up before. A Happy Turtle is a Playtime reward application, everyone, and depending on where you live, you might have a whole bunch of games, or you might have 1 or 2 games that you can play to generate the coins. Right now, I can install Coin Master and generate 210 coins per minute, ladies and gentlemen. Tapping on the cash out button on the top right corner of the screen will reveal a huge amount of gift card and discount options. Now, I personally don't care too much about this area, and this happens a lot with Just Dice applications, but if we tap the more payouts option, you can see that I have PayPal available. Here are all the various PayPal cash out options. For 67 cents worth of Australian currency, all I need is 4,999 coins. And we literally start with almost that, everyone. For $1.34, 9,898, and then it just keeps on going down and down here. Obviously, the more money I want to cash out, the more coins I'm going to need to have. We can cash out all the way up to $26.74 at a time. So I could literally play Coin Master for 30 minutes to an hour and easily generate $1.34 up to even $3.34, depending on how much coins I earn per minute. Just remember, with any playtime reward application though, the longer you play, the more difficult it does get to earn, okay? Anyone that's ever used one of these before knows exactly what I'm talking about. A happy turtle pays out within 2 days straight to your PayPal account, at least the last time I reviewed it. Alright everyone, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be back tomorrow for another review. Stay safe out there.